Alright guys, this is just a quick one on how I mounted the RMR, the RMR Trigicon red dot to the the HDP-50 from Umarex T4E. This is a pretty simple one. As you can see, I died my slide. And in order to do this mod, I grind it out here. I'll show you why in a second. And then I just put a little hole in it to accept a nut to clamp it down with. But what this slot here is going to keep the scope level so it doesn't slide and shift. I'll show you why now. On these RMR scopes, right now I got it connected to the mount. So if you buy one, it comes with a mount. Yeah, pretty much it's got this. I don't know if you guys can see it there. See how thick that was? Well, that little nub there that goes across where the bolt comes out of, that was actually had a lot more higher volume, so I grinded it down just enough so it fits down into there, and then that way when it's on and in, see, it cannot shift. It doesn't shift. So, and then once you got that mounted in there, there's your nut. So you just put your bolt there, then you just put your nut on that, and it clamp it down tight, and yeah, it locks it in place nice and solid. So yeah, I'll show you that now. And then I had to grind a little bit of the head off of this bolt or the nut. Oh, great. Of course, my luck. Oh, go figure, I can't find it. Well, it looks like I'm not going to be able to show you guys that, because otherwise it's going to take me 5 minutes to find this damn thing. Oh, for God's sake. Got my flashlight out here. I'm just taking a quick look. Yeah, well, I ain't finding it. It's gone. Just my goddamn luck. Anyways, all you do is just put the nut on and twist it, and it's done. And then you just put it back together. Another botched video. Fuck, I gotta go get glasses. These damn over-the-counter Shoppers Drug Mart glasses are useless. I swear I can't see 2 feet in front of me, but I can see miles away. Oh, there it is. Right in front of me the whole time. Just trying to get that nut out of my fingers. It's a really tight space down there. I'll try this one more time. Anyways, I gotta use some tool, but anyways, just cut this short. That's all you have to do, guys, and you got yourself a red dot on your HDP-50. Anyways, guys, take care and have a good one.